Hey, I'm Shelly, and I teach, inspire, and share how to embrace your creative process and use it to run your own business. Let's start creating. The first 2 minutes of this video are a time lapse of what I recorded. I'm replacing the screens with a 110 mesh and tightening the T-brackets alignment. If you want a step-by-step, see the chapters and the description below to jump to the correct chapter in this video that shows you those details. The supplies you'll need to replace your wooden screens include a spline roller, scissors, mesh. I'm using 110 mesh in this video, but feel free to replace with the size you need. The higher the number, the more detail you'll be able to print. All of your old screens that you want to replace, and a screwdriver if tightening the T-brackets on your screen. 0.210 spline if you're using the Dick Blick wooden baulesters. Now this process is very repetitive and needs quite a bit of elbow grease, so be prepared for that. First, remove the old screen and any tape by pulling up the spline. Set the old screen aside. Mesh is very fine and slippery. Go slow, be patient. It may take time to get it positioned. As you can see, it's doing me here. Secondly, place the new mesh under your screen and cut around it. Leave at least 1 inch extra on all sides. Third, center the new mesh on top of the screen on the grooved side, then place the spline back into the groove and press the mesh into the groove with your spline roller. Rotate 45 degrees and repeat on all 4 sides until the screen is taut. You can use a tension meter to get your tension correct. I've just become accustomed to how tight it needs to be, so until you get to that point, use a tension meter or bounce some coins off of it, and if they bounce off, then it's usually fairly tight enough. If you're loving this content and want to find more useful tutorials, tips, and tricks, subscribe to my Patreon, The Creative Club, for more behind-the-scenes goodies and freebies. Then take your scissors and trim the excess mesh sticking from the frame. Also trim any spline that may cause the screen to sit unevenly. Lastly, tighten the screws to the T-bracket alignment piece. Now you're ready to coat with emulsion or vinyl and print away. If you're looking for tutorials, tips, and tricks to turn your crafting hobbies into cash just like I did, be sure to subscribe to get more videos just like this one. Thanks for checking out this video. You are now able to replace your screen printing mesh with ease and save some money while doing it. Don't forget to like and share the video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, go create something amazing.